Riding a motorcycle is a thrilling experience, but it comes with its challenges, especially when it comes to safety. Visibility is one of the biggest concerns for riders, particularly in low light or nighttime conditions. Reflective motorcycle gear is a simple yet highly effective solution to this problem. Today, we're diving into the top 7 best reflective motorcycle gear options that not only ensure your safety but also keep you comfortable and stylish on the road. Let's get started. Number 1. Zacro LED Reflective Vest Running Gear. The Zacro LED Reflective Vest Running Gear is an ideal companion for motorcyclists who want maximum visibility without compromising on comfort. Its sleek and lightweight design ensures it fits snugly over your riding gear without feeling bulky or restrictive. This vest boasts bright LED strips that run across the front and back, providing 360-degree visibility. The LED lights are powered by a rechargeable battery, which means you won't have to keep buying replacements. The battery life is impressive, lasting several hours on a single charge. Its easy-to-use button system allows you to toggle between lighting modes, ensuring adaptability to different lighting conditions. Made from durable, weather-resistant fabric, this vest is built to last. The material is breathable, ensuring you remain comfortable during long rides or in hot weather. Adjustable straps make it versatile and suitable for riders of all sizes. In addition to the LEDs, the reflective strips provide added visibility when illuminated by headlights, making it an excellent choice for urban commutes and highway rides alike. Whether you're a casual rider or an avid biker, the Zacro LED Reflective Vest offers unparalleled safety and practicality. Its balance of advanced technology and thoughtful design makes it an indispensable tool for nighttime rides.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Noxgear Tracer 2 Multicolor Illuminated Reflective Vest. The Noxgear Tracer 2 Multicolor Illuminated Reflective Vest brings innovation and style together in one package. If you're looking for reflective gear that offers more than the usual, this vest is sure to impress. One of its standout features is the multicolor LED illumination. With several vibrant colors and adjustable lighting modes, you can customize your visibility according to your needs. The long-lasting rechargeable battery ensures up to 20 hours of continuous illumination, making it perfect for extended road trips or frequent nighttime commutes. The vest design is both ergonomic and flexible, making it comfortable for all body types. Its lightweight construction ensures that you barely feel it during rides, while the breathable material keeps you cool, even in warmer climates. The reflective strips integrated into the vest enhance safety by reflecting vehicle headlights effectively. Durability is another strength of the Noxgear Tracer 2. It's made from high-quality materials that can withstand everyday wear and tear. Whether you're riding in the city or on open highways, this vest combines advanced features with a stylish aesthetic, making it one of the best options on the market for riders who value visibility and flair. Number 3. Topward LED Reflective Vest Safety Gear. The Topward LED Reflective Vest Safety Gear is a practical and reliable choice for motorcyclists who prioritize visibility and simplicity. Its straightforward design makes it easy to use, yet it packs plenty of features to keep you safe on the road. This vest includes bright LED lights strategically placed on both the front and back, ensuring you're visible from all angles. These lights are powered by replaceable batteries, which makes maintenance hassle-free. The reflective strips add another layer of safety, catching and reflecting light from vehicle headlights to ensure you're noticed. The lightweight mesh material of the vest makes it comfortable to wear over your riding jacket or other gear. Its adjustable straps provide a secure and customizable fit, making it suitable for riders of all shapes and sizes. Durability is a key feature, as the vest is made from high-quality materials that resist wear and tear. Whether you're riding in the rain or dealing with dusty trails, the Topward Reflective Vest stands up to the elements, ensuring it remains an essential part of your safety gear. Its practicality and robust design make it a top contender for riders who want reliable, no-nonsense reflective gear. Number 4. Chiwo Reflective Vest Running Gear 2-Pack. The Chiwo Reflective Vest Running Gear 2-Pack is an excellent option for those who want double the value without compromising on safety or quality. Whether you're sharing the road with a fellow rider or keeping a spare, This 2-pack offers exceptional utility. Each vest is designed with broad reflective strips that ensure visibility from multiple angles. The strips are made from fade-resistant materials, maintaining their reflective power even after repeated use. The lightweight fabric is breathable and comfortable, making these vests easy to wear over your existing motorcycle gear. Adjustable straps provide a secure fit for all body types. The vest is also designed for quick and easy on and off, which is especially useful for riders who need a hassle-free solution during their commutes or long rides. Durability is another highlight, as these vests are built to withstand harsh conditions, whether it's a sudden rainstorm or a dusty trail. The Chiwo Reflective Vest 2-pack combines affordability with reliable performance, making it a practical choice for motorcyclists who value safety, comfort, and cost-effectiveness. Number 5. HOK Scorpion Reflective Motorcycle Jacket. The HOK Scorpion Reflective Motorcycle Jacket is a premium option for riders who want maximum protection and visibility in a single piece of gear. It's a comprehensive solution that combines style, comfort, and functionality. Crafted from abrasion-resistant material, the Scorpion jacket offers robust protection against potential impacts. Its integrated reflective elements are strategically placed on the chest, back, and arms, ensuring you're visible from all angles. These reflective accents blend seamlessly into the jacket's sleek design, offering both safety and style. The jacket comes equipped with CE-certified armor at critical impact points, such as the shoulders, elbows, and spine. These protective features, combined with a high level of visibility, make it an essential choice for safety-conscious riders. Ventilation panels ensure airflow, keeping you cool on warm days, while the removable thermal liner makes it versatile for year-round use. Adjustable straps at the waist and cuffs provide a tailored fit, enhancing comfort during long rides. Whether you're commuting or touring, the HOK Scorpion Reflective Motorcycle Jacket delivers unmatched safety, making it a standout option for serious riders. Number 6. GoxRunx Reflective Running Vest Gear. The GoxRunx Reflective Running Vest Gear is a minimalist and effective solution for motorcyclists who want lightweight safety gear. Its slim design ensures it's easy to wear without feeling cumbersome, making it ideal for riders of all types. Wide reflective bands across the chest and back provide excellent visibility, especially in low-light conditions. The vest's lightweight construction is complemented by breathable fabric, ensuring you stay comfortable during rides, even in warm weather. Its adjustable straps allow for a secure fit, accommodating various body sizes effortlessly. Despite its simplicity, the GoxRunx vest is built for durability. The reflective material is fade-resistant and maintains its effectiveness over time. Its compact size also makes it easy to store when not in use, adding to its convenience. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or open highways, the GoxRunx Reflective Vest delivers reliable performance, ensuring you're seen and safe on the road. Number 7. SAWNZC Reflective Vest 2-pack for biking. The SAWNZC Reflective Vest 2-pack is a value-pack solution for riders who want high visibility and practicality. Perfect for sharing or keeping a spare, this 2-pack offers unmatched convenience. Each vest features wide, high-quality reflective strips that enhance visibility in all directions. The breathable fabric ensures comfort during rides, while the lightweight construction allows you to wear it over your motorcycle jacket without adding bulk. Adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit, making it suitable for all riders. Durability is another strong suit, with materials that stand up to the rigors of frequent use. The reflective properties remain effective even after multiple washes, ensuring long-lasting performance. Whether you're commuting or exploring new trails, the SAWNZC reflective vests are a practical and cost-effective addition to your safety gear. But reflective motorcycle gear is more than just an accessory. It's a life-saving investment. Each of these 7 options offers unique features to keep you safe and comfortable, whether you're riding during the day or at night. Choose the one that best fits your needs and ensure every ride is both enjoyable and secure. Ride safe and remember, visibility is your best defense on the road.